Hey Nash, what should we make?
If you're planning on using that broccoli I saw you take out, then you better make it with bacon.
All right, let's make a broccoli salad with bacon. Today, we're making a broccoli salad. Now this is kind of almost a little bit reminiscent of like coleslaw flavors, but it's one of my favorite sides, especially at like a deli. But I think it's also a great side to bring to like a potluck or a cookout or to serve with barbecue. It's gonna have, you know, our broccoli with a nice sauce. It's a little bit sweet and a little bit tangy with some bacon and a bunch of other good stuff. It's gonna be delicious. It's super easy to make, comes together in 15 minutes or less. And hey, without further ado, let's go. So the first thing we need to do is chop up our broccoli. And we just want the florets and just kind of think bite-sized pieces. So like that's a bite-sized piece. That's probably 2 bite-sized pieces. Then we want to peel and grate 2 to 3 carrots. Thin slice 1 red onion. With everything in our bowl, in a big old bowl. Oh, and I forgot to mention earlier, if you don't like the broccoli raw, like if you think that's too crunchy, you can blanch the broccoli for like 1 to 2 minutes in boiling water and then throw it directly into ice water. So it doesn't fully cook it through, but it makes it a little bit more fork tender. But that's personal preference. I like it raw. Now we're gonna add about a half a cup to a cup of cooked chopped bacon and about the same of sliced almonds and dried cranberries. And we kind of stir this up a little bit, best you can anyways. At this point. I'm trying to make a nice big mess like me. All right, that's the best we're gonna do for now. And then to a smaller bowl, we do about half a cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and if you like sweet, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then we mix this up. Also add a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we go back to this bowl, pour in our dressing, mix this to coat everything. And we're ready to plate, ready to serve. What was that, 10 minutes? And there's our broccoli salad, ready to go. Perfect side. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's a perfect broccoli salad. It's crunchy, it's crisp, it's light, it's a little sweet, tangy, just a really good side to accompany anything. It kind of hits that same notes as coleslaw, but I like it better. And with this amount of sauce we used, it's a lighter cover, so it's not like vegetables in mush. Anyways, really good. I highly recommend trying it. I'm serving it aside or just eating it if you want a snack. It's super easy. It comes together in like 10 minutes. You don't have to cook anything. Well, hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, look what we got for you. A little broccoli salad.
I'm not a huge fan, but I'll eat it.
There's some bacon in there, bud.
Now you owe me a steak.
Not surprised. Oh, look at that. He ate it. Okay. I approve. Nash hesitantly approves, but it's a great dish. You know, go ahead and try it. Serve it at your next food-centric event, like a cookout, potluck, barbecue, neighborhood, whatever. It's a great side. It goes with a lot of stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, subscribe, and share the show, it would mean a lot to us. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, although Nash highly requests that there's meat involved and more than just a little bit of bacon. But yeah, just drop that in the comments or go over to the website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Till next time, peace.